How to log out of TikTok on all devices. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can log out of TikTok on all of your devices that you once logged in on. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up your TikTok, and now it will open up your For You page for you. You will have to go to your profile. So simply click on your profile right here and it will open up your profile for you. And here I'll show you how you can log out of your different devices that you once logged in on. So you have to click on these three lines right here at the top corner of your screen. It will open up privacy and settings for you. So you have to click on privacy and settings, and now we have different settings right here. So what you need to do is you will find the option security and login at third number right here. So click on security and login. Now you will find your security alerts, and then we have manage devices option. So you have to click on manage devices, and it will show you all of your devices where you have logged in. Now I only have one device where I have logged into my TikTok account. So it will just show me right here that one when I logged in, and this is my current device. So if you have more than one devices, then it will show you right here and you will be able to see them. Unfortunately, I do not have any, but you'll see them right here. And then you will also find a trash icon, like a very small icon. You can just click on that icon and it will remove that device from your TikTok and you will be able to log out. So you can select all of them and you can, delete TikTok from there. You can log out at once from all of your devices where you have logged in. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on bell notification, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.